Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these super cute jumbo spring twists with the barrel bottom. Absolutely obsessed. So these are the Toyotress Bob Spring 6-inch spring twists, and these are in the color OT30, and it comes with 8 packs of hair. It came in this packet. I use 6.5 packets, so I have 1.5 left. This is the card insert that it comes with. Absolutely obsessed with these. Let me show you what they look like. So again, each of the 8 packets come in a plastic bag like this. It is a very short, this is a 6-inch spring twist. Of course, because it's curly hair, it does have that stretch. So when you twist it, it does elongate. So what I did was I just untwisted the spring twist like this. Put it in half, and I crocheted this into my hair. I did use the rubber band method, and I used 3 pieces for each of the twists, and that's how I got them chunky like this. So let's get into exactly what I did to achieve this look. Keep on watching. me give you a quick 360. Absolutely obsessed with these. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.